What's up, guys? We're gonna Brobeatztv. I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make some catchy beats. So let's hop right into it. We're starting at 160 BPM just because a little faster BPM will usually make it a little bit more catchy. So we're gonna start with this sound. All right, and we could just default our D sharp minor here. I'm gonna just fill that in real quick. We can close this and get started. And then typically I just like to kind of start from the bottom up. So I like to build the bass line first. And I think that's a decent one. It's not the most melodic, but it's decent. And we can kind of just recolor it by adding our chords over. We just keep the fifths, honestly. Really simple. So what we can do on top for like the rest of our chord is pull this up an octave and then just make chords from here, copy it over, and I'm gonna just pull that over. Boom. And then if you want to really cheat, we can just pull this over. I'm gonna hold shift and drag this so it's on beat. And then from here, all you need to do is just make a top melody. And what does that mean? Just literally that simple. But I'm gonna actually think about what I'm doing. So I'm gonna take a chord up, down, and then we're gonna copy this rhythm, pull it over, and just go down. Okay, I like that. I'm gonna play it once or twice through, copy it down here. All right, so that is our little chord melody. So now we can go ahead and move on to our second sound. Next up, I'm gonna go ahead and add our counter. So this is what the sound is. So for this, I'm gonna turn off the delay so we can hear the sound like on beat. All right, so it just plays instantly. You can turn it on after. So I'm gonna just kind of copy the same pattern and just kind of deviate as we go over. So probably go a little bit lower. I'm gonna try to keep this zoomed in for you. Maybe we can. And I'm gonna just do this right here, pull that down. Okay, I like that. I think that's pretty smooth. And then we can move this over, just kind of make some variations. I might split this up so that it's not all on like one. I think at the end we can kind of play around with this scale a bit. Just kind of use the same notes we already have. Okay, I think that's good. So I'm gonna split this up because it can get very annoying if I'm just playing back to back to back, and then we just have to go back here and just double this up. So now we have kind of like a verse, and then we kind of have like well, not a verse, but you know, kind of like a nice loop, 8-bar loop. So I think that's good for the melody. Okay, so let's go ahead and add our drums. Now lastly, we can finish the beat off. We're gonna go ahead and throw like our clap and our 808 in. So the clap pretty much, it's gonna be easy. You just go to bar. And I also gotta turn this back on just to make it ambient. And then for the 808, we can kind of just use, let me see, this will be a little difficult with this bass line. Maybe we can just use this D sharp, of course. Make a chord backwards, and then we can put that C in there. I think that'll work. It'll be nice. Nice and steady. I'm gonna turn it up a bit. And then now we can just add our hi-hat. Super simple stuff here. And we'll be pretty much done with the beat. Let's see, for our hi-hat, I'm gonna just do this, and then we can adjust it. Let's do a chop right here. Kind of like that double, so I'm gonna double that up. And I think we can just bar this, and then we be pretty much done with the beat, honestly. So I'm gonna play it once or twice through. I think this should be good. So let's play the whole thing all together. Of course, we need to like mix and stuff, but I'll just do that as it's going on. Alright, and that's going to be it for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe if you're new. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.